Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moore Education Society's Moore Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the sulfonamide. Learning outcome of this lecture. After the completion of this lecture, the learner will able to understand definition and classification of sulfonamide, drug profile of sulfonamide drugs, co-triazoxole mixture. Content of this lecture: definition and classification of sulfonamide, drug profile of sulfonamide drugs, co-triazoxole mixture. First point: definition of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide are the antimicrobial compound containing a sulfonamido group and are the derivative of sulfanilamide. The structure of sulfonamide. In the structure, in the benzene ring, on the first position, attachment of sulfonamido group and fourth position, attachment of amino group. IUPAC name is para-aminobenzene sulfonamido. Classification of sulfonamide on the chemical basis. So, substitution on aromatic amino group. Example: protosyl, sulfasalazine. Substitution on sulfonamido group. Sulfarizine, sulfacetamide, sulfaguanidine, sulfamethoxazole. Substitution on both amino and sulfonamido group. Example: succinyl sulfathiazole, thialyl sulfathiazole. Classification based on therapeutics uses. First is sulfonamide used in treatment of eye infection. Example: sulfacetamide. Sulfonamide used in treatment of intestinal infection. Example: sulfaguanidine, thialyl sulfathiazole, succinyl sulfathiazole. Next class is sulfonamide used in treatment of systemic infection. Example: sulfadiazine, sulfadiimidine, sulfathiazole. Next class is sulfonamide used in treatment of burns infection. Example: silver sulfadiazine. Sulfonamide used in treatment of urinary tract infection. Example: sulfaperazole, sulfafinazole, sulfamethoxazole. Next, classification based on duration of action and absorption. First class is long acting. Sulfons having a half-life about 24 hours. Example: sulfamethoxypyridazine, sulfadimethoxazine. Next, intermediate acting. Sulfons having a half-life between 10 to 24 hours. Example: sulfamethoxazole, sulfasomazole. Next, short acting. Sulfons having a half-life less than 10 hours. Example: sulfathiazole, sulfaisooxazole. Next, poorly absorbable sulfonamide. Example: sulfaguanidine, thialyl sulfathiazole, succinyl sulfathiazole. Next, classification based on pharmacological basis. First class is sulfonamide used as a oral hypoglycemic agent. Example: 12-butamide. Then used as a diuretics agent. Example: furosemide, chlorothiazidone. Next, it is used as an antimalarial agent. Example: sulfadoxine. Next class is sulfonamide used as an anti-diarrheal agent. Example: thialyl sulfathiazole. Next, first drug is sulfadiazine. The structure of sulfadiazine. In this structure, on the sulfonamido group, attachment of pyrimidine ring. So IUPAC name is 2 in the bracket para-aminobenzene sulfonoamido bracket complete pyrimidine. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is saline in taste and odorless. Solubility: practically insoluble in water but soluble in solution of alkali. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: sulfadiazine used in treatment of meningitis, urinary tract infection, toxoplasmosis, and in the burn infection. Next, official preparation: sulfadiazine tablet, sulfadiazine sodium injection, brand name Pyrimol or diazine. Next drug is sulfacetamide. This is the structure of sulfacetamide. In this structure, acetyl group attach on sulfone-amido group. IUPAC name N-acetyl sulfanilamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a saline in taste and odorless. Solubility: soluble in water and alcohol. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed, light-resistant container. Uses: sulfacetamide used in treatment of eye infection, urinary tract infection, and in burn therapy. Official preparation: sulfacetamide eye drop, sulfacetamide sodium injection. Brand name Albucide Sulamide. Next drug is sulfaguanidine. The structure of sulfaguanidine. Guanidine group attach on the sulfoamido group. IUPAC name N in the bracket para-aminobenzene sulfonyl guanidine. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is occur as a white needle-shaped crystals. Taste: tasteless. Odor: odorless. Solubility: sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed, light-resistant container. Uses: sulfaguanidine used in treatment of intestinal infection like bacillary dysentery. Then used in treatment of urinary tract infection. Official preparation: sulfaguanidine tablet. Brand name HGD bolus. Next drug is sulfadimethoxine. The structure of sulfadimethoxine. In this structure, 2,6-dimethoxypyrimidine ring attach on the sulfoamido group. IUPAC name is 4-amino N2,6-dimethoxypyrimidine 4YL benzene sulfonamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is occur as a white needle-shaped crystals. Taste and odor. It is tasteless and odorless. Solubility: sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed, light-resistant container. Uses: sulfadimethoxine used in treatment of skin and soft tissue infection caused by Staphylococcus aureus or E. coli. Sulfadimethoxine used in treatment of cattle, bovine respiratory diseases, necrotic pseudodermatitis, pneumonia, and calf diphtheria. Next, it is used in treatment of skin infection, urinary tract infection, and intestinal coccidal infection in the dog. It is used in prevention of fowl cholera and coccidus infection in poultry farms. Official preparation: sulfadimethoxine suspension, sulfadimethoxine pills. Brand name Albone dimethoxine. Next point is cotrimazole mixture. So cotrimazole is a combination of two drugs, sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim, in the proportion of 5:1. Mechanism action of cotrimazole mixture. So the two components of cotrimazole interfere with the bacterial synthesis of the tetrahydrofolic acid, which are essential stage in the production of nucleic acid. Sulfonamide block the biosynthesis of folic acid from the para-aminobenzoic acid, and trimethoprim inhibit the enzyme folate reductase and block the conversion of folic acid to the tetrahydrofolic acid. This tetrahydrofolic acid is form required for coenzyme synthesis, and combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim show the synergic bactericidal effect. Reason behind for making a combination: when the sulfamethoxazole given alone, the resistance develop to susceptible bacteria and need high dose. Trimethoprim also develop resistance when given alone. When the combination of these two drugs is used, the spectrum of antibacterial activity is increased. This is due to the synergistic effect. Use of cotrimazole mixture. First, use in treatment of urinary tract infection. Next, use in treatment of respiratory tract infection like bronchitis, pneumonia. Next, use and treatment of meningitis. Next, use and treatment of enteric infection or systemic infection like typhoid, paratyphoid. Storage. It should be stored in tightly closed, light-resistant container. Official preparation: cotrimazole tablet, cotrimazole injection, dispersible cotrimazole tablet, pediatric cotrimazole tablet, pediatric cotrimazole mixture. Brand name: Cipline DS, Septron, Basitrim DS. So thank you. So in this lecture we discuss about the what is meant by sulfonamide, various classification of sulfonamide, then cotrimazole mixture. Thank you.